Hey, hello again, guys. This is Kent from Blessed Farm. I'm here today to show you a way of getting new canning jars. All right, guys, we went on here and Craigslist and looked up some people that were selling some canning jars, new used ones with lids. We ended up getting 52 new canning jars, pints, jelly jars, and quarts for $25 for 54. So it was a really good deal. Here's the great haul of jars today. It's a really good price. New lids, ring. I mean, it worked out really good for us. Let's see. Well, there you go, guys. That's our new used canning jars that we got off of Craigslist. And I had a correction on the amount. There was 56 quarts, pints, and jelly jars. Really cool deal. Paid $25 for them all. That's less than 50 cents a piece for all of them, with lids and rings. So check that out sometimes and see, maybe you can find some of your jars that way. Another thing I did is I called around to all the Goodwills and asked if they had jars, and a few did. So I rushed down and picked up those, just, you know, a couple here, a couple there. So that's another good idea of ways of finding them, all right? But I just wanted to bring that to you and share it with you this morning. And hey, guys, you can see us here, Instagram and Twitter. Hey, come and see us. Leave a message, ask questions, anything y'all want, all right? So I appreciate y'all being here. And we love y'all, man. You take care. And of course, and always, God bless y'all. We'll see y'all real soon.